how would you find the square root of an imperfect square, like 72? The square root of 72. I will calculate this in a noob way, in a pro way, and in a hacker way. And it's amazing. Stay with me until the end of the video because the hacker way, it's amazing. Maybe you don't know this way. So thumbs up to this video, share with everybody, and come together with me. Maybe a noob, and it can be your case, would solve like factoring out the factors of 72. Like this. 72, I will find all the prime factors. It's an even number, so I can divide by 2, 36. Divide by 2 again, 18 by 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. It's going to be 3, and 3 again, 1. When I find the 1, it's the end of my divisions. Those are all the prime factors of the number 72. Now, as I am calculating the square root, I will separate those factors 2 by 2, the like factor. So 2 and 2, it's 2 squared. This 2 is all alone 2 to the first power. And this 3, we have 2 3's, 3 squared. So I can write the number 72 as 2 squared times 2 times 3 squared, and I can rewrite here inside the square root 2 squared times 2 times 3 squared. And as you know, the square root simplifies with the exponent 2. Okay, so this 2 comes out of the square root, and this 3 also comes out. So the final answer is going to be 2 times 3, because those two numbers, they come out of the square root, and it's going to be 6 times the square root of 2, because this 2 stays inside. 6 square root of 2. Okay, this is the noob way, the most simple way to solve this kind of square root of imperfect squares. And now the pro way. The pro is amazing, is fantastic. Maybe you know this way. Come with me. How a pro would solve this? A pro maybe would search for a square, a perfect square, which is related to the number 72. And when I divide 72 in a half, half of 72 is 36, which is a perfect square. So I can rewrite this square root as the square root of 36 times 2. 36 is 6 squared, so I can simplify, and the 6 comes out. 6 square root of 2, because this 2 stays inside. And this is the answer. Very quick to solve. It's amazing. It deserves your thumbs up, and it deserves you to share with everybody that are learning mathematics. So come together with me, because now it's the hacker way. Now it's only between you and me. Maybe you know how to solve in a hacker way, but I'm almost sure you don't know this way. Come with me. Well, in here, you are going to look for the greatest perfect square, but in a number which is smaller than 72. So which is the perfect square which is smaller than 72? 64, which is 8 square. So the square root of 64 is 8. And this is already going to be my first digit of the answer. It's amazing. Now, as I want to calculate the square root of 72, I know it's going to be 8 plus something, and this something is going to be a fraction. In here, the denominator, it's going to be the double of the number 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. And in here, the numerator of the fraction is going to be like 72 minus 64. What number you have to add to 64 to get 72? 8, okay? So you are going to put the number 8 right here. And this is it. Square root of 72 is approximately 8.5, because 8 divided by 16 is 0.5. So 8.5. This is amazing. Calculate this, calculate in your calculator. I want to know if the answer is 8.5, more or less. The approximation is good for you? Comment down below the correct answer. Square root of 72 is 8 point what? And this works every time with every imperfect square. It's amazing, it's fantastic. It's the mathematics with Rafael Procopio, the math hacker. Thumbs up, share with everyone, and the board is all yours for you to print the screen. Fantastic. Did you know this method? The hacker method. It's amazing. See you next class.